Compound events. In this video, you will learn what a compound event is and how to identify the different types of compound events. Because the formula for calculating compound probabilities differs based on the type of compound event. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask or suggest anything. A simple event is one in which there is only one possible outcome. Examples of simple probability. The probability of rolling a 5 on a die. A standard die has one number 5. The probability of tossing a head with a coin. A single coin has one head. A compound event is one in which there is more than one possible outcome. In other words, a compound event is the combination of two or more simple events. Examples of compound probability. The probability of rolling an even number on a die. A standard die has 3 even numbers. 2 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting 2 heads. When 2 coins are tossed, we can get 2 heads. We know what is a compound event, and we have seen that it is possible to find the probability of compound events. But when working with more than one event, you have to be concerned with identifying the type of event you are dealing with. This is why the formula for calculating compound probabilities differs based on the type of compound event. Types of events. 2 or more events are independent when the occurrence of one cannot affect the occurrence of the other. Example. A standard die will be rolled twice. What is the probability of getting 3 on the first row and 5 on the second row? The probability of getting 3 on the first row is 1 over 6. The probability of getting 5 on the second row is 1 over 6. These two events are independent because the result of the second event is not affected by the result of the first event. 2 or more events are dependent when the occurrence of one does affect the occurrence of the other. Example. Suppose a box contains 3 red and 2 green marbles. One marble is randomly chosen, its color is noted, and it's then put aside. A second marble is then randomly selected. What is the chance that it is red? There are 5 marbles in the box. If, for the first time, we select a red marble, there will be 4 marbles to choose from the box, 2 green and 2 red. The probability that the second marble is red is 2 over 4, 50%. But if for the first time we select a green marble, there will be 4 marbles to choose from the box, 1 green and 3 red. The probability that the second marble is red is 3 over 4. So, the probability of the second marble being red depends on what color the first marble was. We, therefore, have dependent events. If 2 events have no common outcomes, we say they are mutually exclusive. They do not share any elements. Therefore, they cannot occur at the same time. Example. Suppose a box contains 3 red, 2 green, and 5 yellow marbles. One marble is randomly chosen. What is the chance that it is red or green? We know there are 3 red marbles and there are 10 marbles in total. So the probability of red is 30%. There are 2 green marbles and there are 10 marbles in total. So the probability of green is 20%. You should notice that a single marble cannot be red and green at the same time. So these events are mutually exclusive.